Hi! How are you all? Hope you all are well and following this series well. In today's video, we will talk about a very simple but important tool of Adobe Animate Line Tool. So what does the Line Tool do? This tool gives you the option to draw a perfect straight line, that too without any freehand effort. Such lines are typically used to create paths, shapes, borders, or frame structures. So let's see how to use it. First, you go to the Line Tool in the toolbar. If you don't see the Line Tool, press N on the keyboard and means night. As soon as you access the Line Tool, its settings appear in the Properties panel on the right. Now to create a line, simply click, hold, drag, and release. Your straight line is ready. If you feel the line is too thin, you can increase the stroke size so that the line looks thicker. You can change its color, style, and thickness from here. Now suppose you want to make a simple house-like frame. So you can create 4 lines with the Line Tool up, down, left, and right. If any lines are not connected properly, then hold it and move it slightly, it will connect. In this way a complete rectangle will be formed. Now there is one thing to note. If you hold down Shift while drawing a line, so your line will be formed exactly vertical, horizontal, or at a 45-degree angle. This is very helpful when you need the perfect angle. Go further into Properties and you will see several line style presets, such as dashed lines, dotted lines, and other patterns. By choosing any of these styles you can give a different look to your line. If the dashes or dots are not visible, reduce the stroke size a little, then they will become visible. Now let's talk about width profile. This allows you to make the line thickness dynamic. That means the line will appear thin at one end and thick at the other. It is very useful in artwork. Now below you will see 2 options, cap and join. Cap, i.e. the end of the line, it can be square or round. Join means where 2 lines meet. There you can make the corner sharp, round, or bevel. And finally let's talk about object drawing mode. If this mode is on, each line will act as a separate object. That means you can edit each line separately later. If it is off, all lines will be merged together. Now let's say you have created the complete artwork. So you select them all and click on Modify Shape, Convert Lines to Fill. Then break it with Ctrl+B. Now all these will be converted into graphic fills, which you can also give color to. So this was our Line Tool. Hope you liked this video and learned something new. If you liked the video, please like it, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye and take care.